Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm back again with another AliExpress unboxing. If you think you can guess whatever is inside the package, please leave a comment below. Without further ado, let's start opening the package. As always, I have my trusty knife that I also got from AliExpress. Alright, it's once again one of those, if you haven't guessed yet. The brand is Oukitel and the make is Oukitel G1. Says here it has 24 gigs of RAM and 250 gigs of memory. So if you just came across my channel and this is your first time here, please subscribe to the channel. Remember to activate the notification bell to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. In this channel, I do a lot of unboxing for stuff I buy from AliExpress. 99% of the unboxing is tech. Once in a while, I slip some things in the unboxing that are not tech, but 99% of the unboxing are the tech. And after unboxing some of the tech, I do a follow-up video to talk about my experiences with the stuff I've ordered. So if you're interested in those stuff or interested in tech, cheap tech, or tech from China in general, do subscribe to the channel. Alright, this is the bad boy. Yes, so it's all made of plastic, but it's hard plastic, you know, the good plastic that can absorb shocks and stuff. So the phone is well built, as you can see, and I can see that the phone already come with a screen protector applied into it. As the brand is Oukitel, the model is G1, and so here I don't know what this is, but it's definitely not a camera. And here's the flash, and then we have two cameras. Because this is a rugged phone, so you shouldn't expect much from the camera. You wouldn't buy this phone for its cameras. You buy the phone for its ability to withstand fall and stuff. So let's place the phone away. Let's see what else is inside the package. So a quick manual here. A SIM remover tool, a USB-C to USB-C port, not port but cable for charging the phone, and a generic power brick. How many watts does it provide? Can't really see. I'm just gonna take the plastic off because I can't read. I can read, but I cannot see properly what's written. It's written in a light gold, so it's a little bit hard to see what's written. 18 watts. So it's 18 watt power brick. Alright, there's nothing else in the box. I've seen a lot of unboxing on some reviews, but not always, about these rugged Chinese phones. But usually it's the most expensive one you see the reviews of, not the affordable ones, like the Unihertz Tank. They made Tank 1, Tank 2, Tank 2 Pro, Tank 3, Tank 3 Pro, and recently they made a Unihertz Tank 3S. Those are more expensive than this one. So let's power. Okay, let's take a quick run of the phone. So this is the USB-C. USB-C port. There's no headphone jacks. There's no headphone jack there. And I guess to get into the phone, you do that through here. You do that through here, because these are screws and 2 more screws. That's how you get into the phone, I think, because everything is sealed. Yeah, so that's the way of getting into the phone, I think. But I'll have a closer look and then I'll tell you in the follow-up videos about this phone. Okay, as general branding, it's just a HD camera, so I don't know about the number of pixels of the camera. Here you have a power button, textures, and then a volume button. On the other side, there's nothing. It's just clean. This mimic metal, but it's not metal, it's plastic. And over here you have the SIM and SD card. And being a true Chinese phone, is a dual SIM phone, so you can put dual SIM and an SD card, micro SD card, at the same time. I know some Sony phones are dual SIM, but you have to choose whether you're gonna use a dual SIM or you're gonna put a micro SD card to get more space on Sony phones. And some of the newer phones, like my Pixel 8 Pro, has a dual SIM, but one of the SIM has to be eSIM. Then you can run it dual SIM that way. Anyway, so there's not much to see here. Let's power this thing on and see if there's any juice. And while it's powering on, let me grab the box so I can read in the back here. So it says one of the rear camera is 48 megapixel and the front camera is 5 megapixel. Dual SIM, as I said. The battery capacity is 10,600 milliamp hour. I'm reading it from the box right here. Yes, that's about it. Cool. Yes, and the charging brick is 18 watts. I mean, the screen is not too bad. The screen is fine, actually. It doesn't say it doesn't say doesn't give me the display. Oh, United Kingdom right there. what kind of display it is, if it's a full HD or not. But just for looking at the display doesn't look that bad. Actually looks quite okay. And I don't know which Android this phone is running. Let's go back. Let me quickly set it up. I'm gonna quickly put the code here. Alright, so I'm gonna play with this thing, and there's gonna be a follow-up video where I'm talking about my experiences using it. I'm not gonna keep the phone because I'm giving it to somebody, but it's a rugged phone, and it seems like the phone can take some beating. Alright, so let's set this quickly up and see what Android version this is running. Oh no, I think I chose wrong somewhere because I wasn't looking on the screen. Okay. Okay, so it's gonna think for a few seconds. Copy data. No, don't copy yet. Okay. Okay, the pin is set up. We're gonna set up the fingerprint later. It has face unlock too. Alright. So the thing is almost set up, ready to go. Yeah. The screen is good. I mean, the screen resolution is at least full HD, at least. I don't think it's more than full HD, but it's at least full HD. Maybe if we're lucky, it's full HD plus, but I'm pretty sure it's at least full HD. Cool. So I'm gonna end up the unboxing here. If you want me to cover something about this phone, leave a comment below and I will cover it. If you're interested in knowing whatever you're interested in knowing about this phone, just leave a comment below and then I will cover it. Alright, so if you made it this far and you like the video, smash that thumbs up. Please do leave a comment below as well. A lot of you watch my videos and I'm pretty grateful that you leave a like, but I also want you to leave a comment below. And if you're too lazy, a thumbs up in the comment section counts as a comment or a smiley. That will help the channel a lot. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do subscribe to the channel. And yeah, until next time, keep it real and I'll catch you in the next one.